Forces out. Jaji has to begin. Moving up Danari, Zana Star Colony. Naman Nisari outside, then followed by Playing Cool. And Petrodollar is Lazovol. And going along for the first turn, Naman Nisari outside. Danari inside Star Colony. Watching in third is Jaji. Running by the fourth Star Colony, and Petrodollar trails the field as they swing down the bank. And it's still Star Colony by about 3/4 of a length lead. Coming closer now, Arias, that is Naman. Jaji now moving up to take third. Playing Cool is by the fourth, and Petrodollar still in last. And it's now Naman by one half length. It's Star Colony is by the Jaji is already outside. Then coming closer now in for this Petrodollar. Fading out, Playing Cool. And on the fourth turn, Naman followed by Jaji. Petrodollar now moving up on the outside. Naman, Jaji, Petrodollar is on the outside. And in for Star Colony, Playing Cool. As they come down to the last 200. Naman is by the moving up on the outside is Petrodollar. We have Naman and Petrodollar now takes the lead. It's now Petrodollar followed by Naman, Star Colony. And finally it's Petrodollar close for second between Star Colony, Naman. Then comes Jaji and Playing Cool.
Yun na nga po, nagkaroon tayo ng close finish para sa segundo pwesto between forces Naman and